Hello everyone, I'm with another product update and today it is dedicated to pagination. There are a lot of discussions dedicated to pagination. If you have to open them to indexation, if you have to close them, if the search bots visit them or ignore them, if you have to leave your pages, your pagination open so to have more pages ranked, etc, etc, etc. And as always, there is no the exact answer for the question, but right now you have the correlating tools at JetOctopus, which will help you to analyze the efficiency of your pagination, how search bots visit them, if they visit, and to find the insights, what to optimize there. So in the crawler section, you have the pagination. When you enter it, by default, you will have the data which is gathered from your website by the default rule rel pref and rel next. And here you will have the opportunity to add your pagination rules, so to get more information, because you can have specific rules for your pagination, and you just push the configure rules and you have the possible examples how it can look. Here you just insert your rules and then test rules, then you will have the information if the rules are working well. And when you go back to the pagination section, you will have all the rules that you've inserted. And here we are having the analytical charts about pagination. The first one, breakdown by pagination. All your pages are divided into regular pages and paginated pages. Here you see how far your pagination pages are located by depths, and you can visualize your pagination by segments. You can pick up any segments and watch your pagination by segments. The more interesting chart is grouping by pagination number. So it is grouping of all your paginated pages by the number, like number 1 page, page 2, page 3, etc. In this case, we see that the majority of paginated pages have like 11 to 20 pagination number. Then we have the chart dedicated to indexation management of your pagination pages, and we see that how many of them are open to indexation, and the majority of the pages are non-canonical. So this is the initial information dedicated to your pagination. And right now I would like to show you one more chart in our logs section, impact section, where you remember we analyzed the Googlebot behavior by different criteria. And right now we have the opportunity to analyze bot visits by pagination. So how Googlebot behaves by paginated pages. And in this particular case, we see that bot visits even the pages, the paginated pages, which are located really far. So the pagination pages with number more than 100. And the interesting thing here to compare the indexation management of this website, and we see that almost all of the pages are open to indexation, and this is the main thing why they have these visits so deep in the site structure. In other case, we see such situation, which also reflects that Google bots, the bots of Google, they visit the pagination pages, and also the number of pagination pages are very big, like 20 as well. And you see that there are a lot of such pages visited. And the interesting part is to analyze how these pages are managed in terms of indexation. And in this case, we see that the majority of pages are non-canonical. And that's the case to dive deeper and to analyze. So you see that we have the new sections dedicated to pagination in our crawler section, with the initial information about your pagination. And in your logs section, impact was added with one more chart, which is bots visits by pagination. So I hope you will find it really valuable. If there are any questions, we are always open to any feedback. Have a great day.